Hey, Brickfront Properties and Construction here in Capitol Heights, Maryland. It's another project that we're working on. So we're going to keep the utility room where it is, keep the utility closet, the little linen closet, and that back there is going to be a bedroom, another bedroom back there. This common area, we're going to make that half the size, divide into a closet, keep the mechanical room where it is. We're going to add a furnace, a return ductwork, replace the water heater, and keep the metal beams where it is. We got to check the stack to make sure the pressure is good. And this was the laundry room. I checked the sump pump. She told me she got water damage coming in here before, and all the walls need to be insulated, sealed up, replaced all the windows. And for this bedroom, we're going to keep that closet where it is and put some shelves in there. So this is bedroom number one. And then come out of here. Then you got this as a common space for TV and sofas and chairs and, whatever they do. And then this bedroom number two here, it's a big room. We're going to have to take that window out, insulate the floors, the walls. We're going to take all this wood out here, take out the radiator pipes to give it more height, and then take that closet and then make this into a half the closets, and then the rest of the area will become common space for the house. So this is Brickfront Properties and Construction here at providing an estimate for a fire job. So let me go upstairs and make the video number two. All right.